Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA's FPS drop and performance issues. First of all, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in NVIDIA control panel. You'll be able to see NVIDIA control panel, hit enter. Once NVIDIA control panel has been opened, go to the Manage 3D settings. Now you have to scroll down just a bit until you see shader cache size. Click on shader cache size, click on it, and then select the drop-down menu and select disable. Now click on apply on the bottom right corner. Now after that, what you have to do is simply restart your PC. Once your PC has been restarted, what you have to do is hit the Windows key and type in NVIDIA and select NVIDIA application this time. It will open NVIDIA application, go to the driver section. Now here you have two different options. If you click on the drop-down menu, you will see Game Ready Driver and Studio Driver. It's crucial. If you're a gamer guy like you used to game a lot on your PC, then what you have to do is simply click on the Game Ready Driver and click on Install button to install the Game Ready Driver. But if you're like me and like I'm using lots of creative applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and editing applications, photo and different kinds of editing or creative applications, or just general purpose, so you have to download Studio Driver. So you have to select the respective driver according to your needs, and if you see any download button in front of it, then simply click on the download and it will automatically install the latest version of the NVIDIA driver, whether it's Studio Driver or Game Ready Driver. Now once you have the latest version installed, then what you have to do is close the NVIDIA application, hit the Windows key and type in disk cleanup, hit enter, select the C drive, wait for a bit. Now it will open this window. If you scroll down just a bit, you will see DirectX shader cache. Select that, click on OK, click on delete files. Once it's done, you have to go back to the NVIDIA control panel. In the Manage 3D settings, scroll down and go to the same settings, which is shader cache size. Select a drop-down menu and select driver default. Click on apply and you're good to go. And that's simply how you can fix NVIDIA FPS drop and performance issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.